channel, and for today's video we're going to be doing a shoe review. Be reviewing the Nike Furyosa women's shoes, so I really hope that you'll like them, the Air Maxes. Before we get started, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos from me. And yeah, please be sure to follow me on my socials, and let's just jump into this video. So these are the Nikes. The exact name is the women's Air Max Furyosa, okay? And oh my god, these shoes are so freaking beautiful. Like, honestly, wow. Look at this, guys. Look at this detailing, okay? Oh, oof. That silhouette is just so freaking nice. The colors are just amazing. I will also insert like me actually trying on the shoes so y'all can see that. The bottom of the shoe is literally so pretty. Look at those colors. They have very good grip, and they have this really nice like flap right here, so it's like your heel is padded basically, so you're good. Like it provides that extra support, and I thought that was like freaking amazing because it's super comfortable. I feel like I have that problem where like the back of my foot gets blisters, but these shoes made it so that you don't get blisters doing that because you have this nice cushion, this nice fluff right behind you. So it's like, thank you, you know, like why don't other shoes do this? So that's already a huge plus. These shoes are very comfortable. They feel very bouncy. They do add some height, which is great because I'm super short, so I need that 100%. I don't know, I just think that these shoes are really good. I feel like they're perfect for just going out. Hey, you know, I'm gonna grab lunch with my friends, I'm gonna go to the mall, but it's, I could go to an amusement park, but it's also like, I don't know, something you could also like dress them up, you know, for like, I don't know, more like stylish looks. It's very stylish but very comfortable, and I think the silhouette of the shoe is honestly amazing. I love the color choices. It's very spring summer, but that purple you could still get away with it maybe like in the fall. I don't know, I really do love these shoes, and I just wanted to come on here and chat and tell y'all that I really love the shoes, and that, you know, just give you my thoughts in case you were thinking about maybe getting these shoes. They are still in stock on some places, not on the sneakers app, which is, I did get them on the sneakers app. People are reselling them, and there's also, I think Champs is also selling these shoes, so it's not like they're super hard to come by. You can get some access to them, and I just think they're great all-around fashionable shoes with comfort, you know? So I'm gonna read y'all the description so that you can actually have an official, basically what is this shoe. Then I'll just show y'all how it looks on. So it says extreme edginess meets extreme comfort. The Nike Air Max Furyosa is an elegant toe-down design with a bold look. Inspired by the fast-paced running shoes of the 90s, the upper wavy lines and a rich mixture of materials, its ultra plush heel, padded collar, pillow tongue ensure a smooth ride while maintaining a sleek look. Very sleek but super comfortable. With at least 20% recycled material in construction and an efficient pattern, these sneakers reflect Nike's futuristic approach to footwear fashion. Wow, so they use recycled materials, which is great because we have a lot of waste in this world. So if you're gonna use recycled stuff, you should definitely use it, repurpose it. So that's really cool that they're trying to make that like effort. But I mean, it is Nike, so I wonder if they stop doing like bad business deals and stuff. Like, I think the cool thing about the shoes too is the grip. Like, there's a really strong grip on the bottom of the shoe, so like you're not gonna go slipping and sliding. Like you're gonna be standing there, you're gonna be standing your ground, because that bottom of the foot, is that called the sole? I think the bottom of the shoe is very grippy, which I love. We need a good grip on the floor, okay? We need that like gorilla grip on the floor, so we're not like falling, slipping and sliding. We don't want that. So the shoe is very comfortable, but you're also gonna have a lot of traction. And there's some other features. There's Airy Mesh in the upper, offer breathability. That's true, there's mesh. Foam midsole delivers durable lightweight cushioning. There's so much cushion in the shoe, I'm actually amazed. The slightly wider toe box provides added comfort while keeping a sleek shape. 100%, there's a lot of room for your feet. The air cushion and heel offers a new look with added comfort. it does give like a layers type of look, but it's also for comfort, which I really do like because it's like a fashion statement, but it's also really comfortable. Higher arch support, wider forefoot, lowered ankle scoop. It delivers perfect fit for a woman's feet. You know, I just gotta say, I'm really happy that they made this with attentive detail to a woman's foot, because I feel like for so long, shoe companies, tennis shoes were so catered to men that like we wouldn't have our size. We never had like cute tennis shoes like the guys did, and so it was always very guy centered, male centered. So I'm really happy that they're now starting to cater to like a female foot, because there are those differences, and I think they should really take those differences into account, and I'm glad that they did, because the shoe is so freaking comfortable, and I feel like it's gonna be a good shoe to have around for a long time, you know? It says a rubber outsole with Nike grind and waffle inspired patterns to add traction and durability. Yeah, you're totally gonna be durable. If somebody wants to fight, bro, you got those shoes, you're not going anywhere. Like, bro, they better back up, because I mean, you're gonna be on the ground. Like, the dual lace system provides multiple styling options and adds a DIY flair to the look. Nice, very much flair. The TPU eyelets provide added style. Okay, yeah, it's a very fashionable shoe. Oh, did I show you the lace on the back? I'm a little goof. There is a freaking bow lace on the back. It is such a beautiful shoe. Everything that they did with this shoe is so freaking nice. Like, I gotta say, that bow is very unique. You don't really see a shoe that has like a lace bow in the back. Ooh, you don't really see a shoe that has a lace bow in the back. And then like that like blue color is kind of like reflective, and these purples are just so nice. And yeah, this shoe is just 100% like a fashion shoe. I did get half a size up. I got a 7.5, so these shoes are a little big for me, but we're making it work because I freaking love these shoes. So like, it's gonna have to fit one way or another. It's just gonna have to fit, okay? That's all I have for y'all today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below, do you have these shoes? Do you want to get these shoes? Let me know. I would love to know. And also, please be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can see more videos from me. We're almost at 1,000, y'all. Oh my god, thank you so much. So I really do want to get to 1,000 by the end of the year, so go ahead and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, I will catch y'all in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.